Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the exact audio containers so you can replace broken streams. First, backup GTA SA. exe the audio folder and GTA 3. Once done, open GTA 3. With ALSI's IMG tool and export the radio and cutscene files you need. Convert those exported files to 16-bit, 22,050 Hz WAV so the game decoder won't choke. Make sure file names and extensions match the original exactly. Small typo will prevent the engine from loading the replacement audio. Now you re-encode and inject the corrected audio back into the archive. Open each WAV in Audacity or use FFmpeg to normalize volume, remove leading silence, and export as 16-bit, 22,050 Hz WAV. This prevents stuttering and cutoff. Then use ALSI's IMG tool to replace the original files in GTA 3. With the newly encoded versions, preserving folder paths and exact names. If your mod uses audio, CFG, or files, finish by clearing any game cache and testing immediately. Load a mission with radio and cutscenes to confirm sound plays. If you still hear silence, double-check that file names are exact, sample rate is 22,050 Hz, and files are 16-bit. Mismatch in any one of those causes the engine to skip audio. Also restore your backups and repeat the process on a single file to isolate the issue. If problems persist, try one verified original file replaced with your edit to compare behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.